Hi everybody, I'm Bernard from Rezt and Interior. Today I want to share with you one of my latest complete project at Riverbank. It's a 5-bedder condo. Come. So the first item that we have on the counter, previously the solid surface, which is made of plastic. So this round I changed it to quartz. It's actually natural stone, so it can definitely last you more than 10 years. What we have is actually the service here. Everybody have a helper. So she's gonna sleep here. Alright, making use of the space. And what we have below, we do have storage. Space is quite small, so we even have the dryer and washer all stacked up. So there's even more storage inside here. Okay, we are actually in one of the bedrooms. So this room is surprisingly just a little bigger. So we can actually have a big window. So you can see that we actually stuff a lot of things inside. So this one, the requirement is a bit different. So as you can see that we are having a super single size bed. Same thing, we do also have drawer storage. We can still have a study area here. Alright. This one is the master bedroom. We do have a queen size bed with the storage as well. We do have a table. As when it actually is closer, the edge I do propose something round. And right in front of us, we have a TV area. The soft light here do help to give ambience, especially when you don't need the room to be too bright.